I'm getting set up here, man. Am I glad I brought stoveless. I mean, look at this. Look at these bugs. And I'm glad I brought my jacket. Look at this. So this is off scale. Boy, it's a nice spot there. Look at this. Holy shit. There's some REI catalog shit for you. Morning. So that's where I'm camped, down there by that cluster of rocks. Rainbow Lake. Okay, for people who have not done it, this is Bandera. When you see people talk about trip reports to Bandera, most often it's probably Little Bandera, and one has to go through this, which is pretty much straight up. So just be aware. Amazing bit of trail here. Look at this. Yeah, just a wall of wildflowers. And coming up here on what should be a pretty incredible view.
Power line going up. And remember how the power line was going up right above the tunnel? Right. In fact, it's almost in line with the tunnel.
So this is a pretty good shot of the zone I'm exploring. This time I parked down in that drainage area at the I-90. Hiked up, came under this ridge here with all the granite right here, and I'm staying at this lake here that you can just barely see the eastern edge of it. It's called Rainbow Lake. And then hiked past Sir Richard's Pond. I think that's what it's called, this little Richard's Pond right here. And then over here to Mason. And then beyond Mason, you can see some trails right there. Go up to these, that lead up to these two peaks. It's basically Bandera. Little Bandera and True Bandera. That's where I was this morning. And I came back to Mason. Went up this ridge to get to where I am now, Defiance, Mount Defiance. So